1, 2, a 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. In the year of our Lord, 1806, we set sail from the cold cove of Cork. We were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the Grand City Hall in New York. 'Twas a wonderful craft, she was rigged fore and aft, and Lord, how the trade winds drove her. She had 23 masts, and she stood several blasts, and they called her the Irish Rover. We had 1 million bags of the best Sligo rags. We had 2 million barrels of stone. We had 3 million sides of old blind horses' hides. We had 4 million barrels of bones. We had 5 million hogs, 6 million dogs, and 7 million barrels of porter. We had 8 million bales of old Nanny Gold's tails in the hold of the Irish Rover. There was old Nicky Coot, who played hard on his flute when the ladies lined up for a set. He was tootin' with skill for each sparkling quadrille, though the dancers were flothered and bet. With his smart, witty talk, he was cock of the walk, and he rolled the dames under and over. They all knew at a glance, when he took up his stance, that he sailed in the Irish Rover. There was Barney McKee from the banks of the Lee. There was Hogan from County Tyrone. There was Johnny McGurk, who was scared stiff of work, and a man from Westmeath called Malone. There was Slugger O'Toole, who was drunk as a rule, and Fighting Bill Tracy from Dover. And your man, Nick McCann, from the banks of the Bann, was the skipper on the Irish Rover. We had sailed 7 years when the measles broke out, and our ship lost her way in the fog. And the whole of the crew was reduced down to 2, just myself and the captain's old dog. Then the ship struck a rock, oh Lord, what a shock. The boat, it was turned right over. Turned 9 times around, and the poor old dog was drowned. Now I'm the last of the Irish Rover. I'm the last of the Irish Rover. I'm the last of the Irish Rover.